As I mentioned on Monday, the consensus forecast for June quarter inflation was 1% for the quarter and 6.2% for the 12 months. So 0.8 and 6 surprised everyone. And traders expressed their surprise by buying shares and selling Aussie dollars, although it didn't take long for them to buy again and push the exchange rate back to where it was this time last night, 67.7 US cents. Now, both quarterly and monthly consumer price indexes were released this morning. The quarterly change in both of them was 0.8%, but the 12-month change in the monthly one was 5.4%, a lot less than the 6% for the quarterly one. The monthly CPI is interesting but irrelevant because the RBA watches the quarterly one because it includes more prices. And in particular, they watch the trimmed mean, which is where statisticians line up all the price changes and chop the ends off, or trim it, to get a sense of underlying or core inflation. Now, that figure in the June quarter was 5.9%, lower than expected, lower than the headline number, and well down from the 6.6% in March. Nevertheless, market economists still expect another rate hike, but they'll come round. The share market closed 0.8% higher, but the biggest gains were mining stocks that have nothing to do with Australian inflation. The jump at 11:30 was all about banks and retailers. Shares in New York and London went up, while in Asia they went down, and commodities all went up: iron ore, oil, copper and gold. And that's finance.